This is a quick guide on how to submit your nomination in a student union election. So for this example, we're going to be looking at the leadership elections where we elect our union presidents. So we're on the ccsu.co.uk/elections website. You want to make sure that you're logged on. That ensures that it's only current students who are able to take part. And the log-on process is really simple. It's all done with the university details. So if you've got a university account, you'll be able to log in, and that's just on the top right hand of the website, there'll be a login button. So we're going to click sabbatical elections. This brings up the mini site with different options on here. So explaining what the roles are, submitting nomination, key dates. So we're going to go for submit nomination. And it brings up this section. So it's got a list of the posts, says when things are opening and closing for nominations and also for voting. And no surprise, we've got a stand-in election button here. So this will only appear if you're logged in. So if you're not logged in, this won't show up. So again, important thing, make sure you're logged into the website. I'm going to click stand-in election, and it will have details. So this is your display name. So obviously based on university data, which this pulls from, or have whatever name you're registered with the university with, but you can change that here for how it will appear on the ballot form. So you could always put in a shorter version or a longer version, whatever you want to. Select what email address you want to be contacted on. So it could be your university email. You might want to actually get elections information via your personal Gmail account, or also put a phone number on. So that's what we'll use to send you messages confirming that your nomination's gone through, those types of things. So terms and conditions are here, just confirming that you're a current student. But also, if you've got any issues, you can contact us at the Students' Union. comms@ccsu.co.uk is more for technical side of things, and then elections a little bit more for the process of things as well. So we've done all those. It's all been saved. That's all fine. And then it shows what we can do. So you can only run for one of these positions in this election. So I couldn't be president, union president, and I couldn't be president of engagement sports at the same time. So I need to decide which one I want to stand for. If you want more information about these roles, then there is a roles section on the website. So all we're going to do is we're going to go stand for union president, and then we have to confirm that we want to submit our nomination. So I'm going to click submit nomination. Don't worry, this is on a dummy account and I'll be removing this, so I won't be standing in the elections, but submit nomination. And that says that our nomination is pending approval. So what happens now is your nomination comes to us. We just do a few checks to make sure that you are a current registered student. And then we will do that. You'll get an email confirming that your nomination is pending approval, but you'll also get one saying it's been confirmed. But in the meantime, you can upload a manifesto, or you could also obviously choose to withdraw your nomination if you wanted to. So having a quick look at manifesto, this is what voters will see when they're deciding who to vote for. So it's really important to make sure that you've got a photo, because it helps make you stand out, but also tell people why they should vote for you, who you are, what you've done at university, and what you could bring to the role. So type all that in, click save, and then that'll work. If you want to make any changes on your manifesto or change your photo, you can do that all the way up until the nominations close. So please make sure you've done that. And that's it. Your nomination's in, and you'll get something confirming that you're all done. So we've saved that. Our manifesto is all good to go, and we're done. If we ever wanted to edit our manifesto, you can simply just go back to the submit nomination page, and it's going to show you what nominations you've already put in there. But you can click here just to review and see what you've gone for. And again, you can edit your manifesto, and if you ever really want to, you could obviously withdraw. But that's it. That's how to do it. And once you're a candidate, we'll be in touch with lots more information. And after that, it'll be campaigning and voting. So good luck.